Welcome back to the best apps of December 2016 with the OnePlus 3T in my hand. There you go. It's a very nice phone, and I'm going to be showing all these apps and wallpapers and all that good stuff on this device. So let's get right into it. Starting it off with the wallpaper, getting into the Christmas spirit with this materialistic wallpaper by Zan Cern. There's a Christmas tree, there's lights, there's snow towards the bottom, a red background. Can this wallpaper get any more Christmassy than that? Probably not, only if you add ornaments or gifts, but other than that, it looks great. And if you want more materialistic wallpapers, you can download it from xenoblog.io. That's where I got this one. Just take a look. This kid's very talented, and every wallpaper is free to download, so why not? Also, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Sajid Sheikh for making me this amazing vector that I'm currently using as my profile picture. Each one is custom made from scratch on Adobe Illustrator with a materialistic theme. If you want one too, he charges $25, or if you're located in India, you can get one for 750 rupees. The price tag is due to the amount of work this takes to make, and MKBHD himself uses this, if that means anything to you. I'll drop a link down below to all his social media pages if you want to DM him, if you're interested. So the first application we're going to be checking out is called Reuters TV Video News. This is free in the Google Play Store. So this is great for quick and exclusive video news for on-the-go situations. And it shows you the topics that are trending right now around the world. Most of the news are between 1 and 3 minutes long, and it shows you like how many videos you're about to watch, and you can change the length if you go up here, and then you can drag this slider down to 15 minutes. If you want something quick, 5 minutes. You can watch the news in full screen. Looks nice. If we go to the side here, you can go into the feature tab where they categorize all the trending topics. Let's go into technology, and here you can see Silicon Valley, Snapchat, Netflix, advertisers, just a lot of good stuff that you can watch. Let's watch Snapchat real quick. It's going to load up automatically.
There are 2 billion people who don't have access.
Everywhere where there's a phone, you have a bank. Now,
so as you can see, it's not your typical TMZ or paparazzi news. It's very serious topics that they're covering, and in a very professional look as well. They don't have anything live going on right now, but at the moment you can see other events that were live previously. Yeah, definitely give it a try. It's free in the Google Play Store. The next app we're checking out is called Pyro Browser. It's a browser that could potentially be better than the Chrome browser, and I say potentially because Chrome is still pretty great. So let me just tell you the quick features this has. If you go right here, it has an ad blocker, as you can see, automatically installed, so you can enable that or disable that if you want. It also has, if you go into the settings here, it has a night mode to invert the colors on the website, so there you go. It makes it easier on your eyes at night. Go back into the settings. It also changes the status bar and will change the color based on the visited page. So that way, if you're on, I don't know, Facebook, your status bar will become blue and your navigation bar will also become blue. Edge right here, you can go forward, or if you want to go backward, you can. I was on Android Police, there you can see there. But if I want to go back to Google, I can just grab to the side and it pops up like that. It's a really nice feature. Haven't seen that in a while. And another cool feature is that you have full screen browsing. Just full screen, nice. And I think that looks great because sometimes I don't want to see my notifications while I'm reading an article or have anything get in the way. Let's say I want to share a link with Daniel. I can click that and it will automatically share a screenshot as well as the link to the website. So it does that automatically. You don't have to take the screenshot. I didn't take that screenshot. I just click share and send it to Daniel from there. If we go back, the last thing I wanted to show you is that you can also save websites offline so you can read them later. If you go here, I save The Verge, and it will automatically load. It's based on CyanogenMod browser and Chromium, so it's extremely fast, especially if you have a Snapdragon processor, as it's 10 to 40% faster according to the developers. So it is pretty fast, and it could potentially replace Chrome. Alright, so the next application I'm checking out is called Trusted Contacts. It's free in the Google Play Store and it's by Google. Basically what this does, it allows you to share your exact location every few seconds with trusted contacts that are on your phone. And the other contacts must have this app as well, obviously. Here are my trusted contacts, Daniel Ariza. These are my other 2 contacts, it's just me. I got one on my Google Pixel. I'm requesting the location on this phone, and if I don't click accept or decline, in the next 5 minutes it will automatically share your location because it thinks you're in trouble, you can't respond to your phone, or maybe your phone is stolen. So this is a great app for those 3 reasons, emergency purposes. So I'm going to click on share location. that's exactly where I am located. I'm not going to show you my exact location here because that would be stupid, but if I was moving, it would show real-time movement on the map, and it will show my other contacts where I am until I click stop. And then once I click stop, this will update and I will not be able to see my friend's location anymore. Before I move on, I'd like to give a quick shout out to Unity for sponsoring this video. Unity allows you to wirelessly access your files on your computer from your smartphone or tablet. You can stream movies, grab photos, play songs, and share files of any size to your connected devices. It's totally free. I'll drop a link down below. Next app we're checking out is called Contextual App Folder. It's unreleased. Basically what this is it makes a folder pop up on your home screen every time you turn on your Bluetooth, go to a certain location, connect to a Wi-Fi network, or any other trigger you set. So here are my triggers. Basically, if I connect my headphone, plug it in, 4 apps will pop up: Spotify, Phonograph, Audiomack, and YouTube. So that's usually what I use when I plug in my headphones. When I connect to my Bluetooth speaker, I connect those 3: Spotify, Phonograph, which is my music player, and Audiomack. If I go to the gym, Spotify. If I connect to my car, Google Maps, my music player, and Spotify. All those are great. You can set triggers right here. Very simple stuff. You just tap on one and you click enable and continue if you want to enable Bluetooth, and you choose the Bluetooth you want to connect to. Very simple stuff. And you can also customize what the folder looks like, so it pops up in your home screen. If I go into my home screen, I have the folder right here. It's in default mode right now. I'm not connected to anything. Alright, so I'm turning on my Bluetooth speaker. Here we go. There it is. And the Bluetooth speaker for this one, it's called Big Magic Box. There you go. Anyway, we're gonna go into my home screen, and it changed automatically to Spotify, Phonograph, and Audiomack. It used to be my social medias, but now I can just tap on Spotify, play some John Lennon if I wanted to. And then when I disconnect my Bluetooth, it will automatically change back to default. There you go. Next app is free. It's called Open Gaps. This app allows you to quickly download the latest Open Gap package that works with your device, and you can choose the package variant. So here it is downloading. It's 600 megabytes, and you know how hard it is to find those gaps. They're everywhere, and sometimes you just want to find the one that works for you and works with your device. If I click cancel, I can click change selection. You choose which one it is. It detects it automatically. Go down here, choose your Android version. Mine's Marshmallow. And then you can choose what variant you want. And then you can click download, and it's starting to download. If you have root, you can grant root permission to automatically install this package onto your phone without you having to install it manually. Right now I don't have root, but it's great for those who do. Check it out. The next app we're checking out is called Online Console Compiler. It's in beta and it's free. You can compile and run programs on your smartphone from anywhere that has internet available and works with 16 programmable languages. That's a lot. So you have C++, you have C, you have Java, you have Python, a lot of different languages to work with. Currently, this is C++. This is a program that I found on the internet. I'm not a programmer, but here's where the output would be. So if you run it, so I have to input 2 numbers. So I'm going to enter 25 and then 5 probably. And it should multiply those 2 numbers together. And there you go, it worked. The area of the rectangle is 125. That's basically what this program does. It's an area of a rectangle, not a triangle. We can go to Fahrenheit to Celsius. We can convert the temperature in degrees from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I'm going to run that real quick. Let's just do 25 again. And it should say the temperature in Celsius is negative 3.88889. So that works just fine. And you can see this is all code here. You can literally type this out. Very easy stuff. Now, I don't know anything about coding, but you can type it in and it will work just like that. You have these to help you out so that way you don't have to keep on looking for them in your keyboard, and you have a tab to make it look nicer. Definitely a great app. I like it, and the interface is just amazing. So download it for free now. So I wanted to throw in 3 extra apps that I've been using for a while now, specifically icon packs, Corny, Ango, and Noisy. Personally, I enjoy Ango the most, but they all look amazing. Each icon pack has close to or over 900 handcrafted vector icons and plenty of beautiful wallpapers. Corny has over 2,000, just want to throw that out there. But yeah, they all follow a materialistic theme and no two icons are alike. Each icon pack costs $1.50, but I'm also going to be giving away 5 promo codes to each of these apps. So 15 promo codes in total for 15 lucky viewers. All you have to do is follow me on Twitter @HowToMan, and that's it. I'll be choosing the winners at random in a couple of days. Even if you don't win, $1.50 is not that much compared to the amount of work the developer has put in to bring us some materialistic goodness, so definitely go support them. But with that being said, let's move on with the games. The first game is called Bottle Flip Challenge. This is free. You flip the water bottle onto the platform and see how many you can land. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, I'm doing pretty good right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is my record. Oh, I always mess up there. You know, my best is 7. I can't get past 7. But yeah, that's the game. Very simple. But you can also play a different version of this game on your Android browser through this link. I'll leave it down below. It's a different version, so it's not the same thing. You can still flip the bottle by swiping up. Oh, I messed up. All right, let's try. My best score is 5. Let's keep it going. So you don't even have to download it. You can just go on this website and play the game on its own, so you can try it out first. Anyway, you can download the game, or you can just go on this website. I'll leave a link down below. The next game we're checking out is called Distraint. This is free. So this is a horror story with a retro look. Simple controls, left, right, and then A is to interact with objects. O is for the menu, and then you have B to see what you have. Alright, so let's go in here. It's pretty scary. I mean, there's no jump scares apparently, but just the environment and the sound is just creepy, you know? And it's sort of a puzzle game, so you have to look around and stuff. His dog ran away, basically. We have to try to find his dog. And his dog smells like poo-poo because a skunk sprayed him. So we gotta find where the skunk scent is, or where the skunk is, whatever. You know, right? Because that's what you do when you're in a scary cabin. You try to find the owner's dog, right? So that door is locked. I think he followed her scent. Whoa! What the heck? Oh, we have to follow the scent. There you go. Where's this taking us? Oh my gosh, this music. Oh, in here. Okay, I gotta talk to the dude because there's a hole in the wall and the dog went through that hole. Oh my goodness. It's a lot of reading, okay? So if you like that, you can check it out. Anyway, that's it for this game. Back at it again with the Blobs. Hopeless 3. This is free. Let's just go in. Basically, you ride a cart with blobs and shoot the monsters, but you shouldn't kill the other blobs, okay? So let's just click start. Jump right in. Shoot everything that comes up. Shoot all these monsters. Oh, be careful. There's a blob. There you go. Oh, there you go. Come on. Come on now. I can shoot at... Yep. And there you go. Made it. The last game we're checking out is called Asphalt Extreme. Let's try it out. It's another racing game by Gameloft. Alright, expect great graphics, a fun time, and your money leaving your pocket. So, let's do this. Here's acceleration. You can drift. Go up ramp. Oh. Gotta be careful here. Oh, and I got wrecked. Let's go. Here's a nitro. Let's do a cool stunt right now. Bop. Ah, dang. Fast. They're usually not this fast. It's just this is the last stage, so they're a little tough. Here we go. There's first. I see first. I see you. Oh man, am I gonna beat him? Am I going to beat him? See it. I see it. No! Oh, my battery. Oh, hey, I got first place though. Woo! I did it with my battery being on low. So, well, guys, that's it for the top apps of the month, December 2016. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to follow